Okay, we are here now on the virtual machine, and you can see right here the installer automatically opens up whenever you load the ISO. And the desktops that we're left with is OpenBox, Awesome, Budgie, BSPWM, Cinnamon, GNOME, Hyperlin, Mate, Plasma, Qtile, XFCE, or you could just install vanilla Arch install and just make your own system. And this link right here is to the installer video guide. All right, so in this case, I'm going to do the Plasma. So let's install Plasma. So this pretty much looks the same. Everything is the same right here. So I'll just add my user info. Username is going to be test. Give it a complicated password. And then, all these other options, they're optional. You don't have to use them or not. So I'm just going to click on OK. And then right here, this section is to set up your time zone. There's two ways to do this. You can either go through here and you can scroll through it all, or you can open time zones right here. And then you can search, let's say, for example, I want to do Chicago. I'll just do Control F on my keyboard. If I can spell it right. All right, and I'll just do find Chicago, and I could just copy this. Copy. Now I can close this, go back to this, and I could just overwrite it. And Chicago's not my time zone, but I'm just going to use that just for testing. I can close that now. All right, and now we wait for the installer to open up. Now this error message, this is not for these warnings. They're not for the installer. This because the terminal itself opened up Luma. But before I set up anything, I just want to check my time zone and make sure that Chicago did get installed, and it did. So we are in American Chicago. All right, so now I'm gonna scroll back up and set up my drive. So right here, just go to partitioning. You can use any of these three options. You can manually partition, pre-mounted configuration, or use a best effort default partition layout. Whichever one works best for you. So in this case, I'm going to use the best effort. If you're a new user, this was the option that you want to use. So you just click on that, select the drive. In this case, this is my virtual block because I'm doing it on the virtual machine. So I select this drive. As far as file system, you choose whatever works for you. I like using ext4, so I'm going to go with ext4. Now, if you want to do a LVM, I don't even know what that is. So, and if you want to encrypt your disk, you can encrypt your disk. But I'm just going to select back, go back, and now I'm going straight to install. Now the items below, like if you need to change the language, you can change the language. If you need to change the locales, you can change the locales, the repositories. Only if you need to do it, and only if you know what you're doing. But if not, just click on install. You click on install. This is just a quick overview of what's going to be installed. Then you click on yes, and there it goes. The installer is off now. All right, and then from here, you just sit back, make yourself a cup of coffee or something, drink a beer, whatever, and just relax. And what I'll do is I'll go ahead and I'll pause the video now, and then we'll come back once it's finished installing. All right, and if all goes well, you'll get this window right here, and it says installation complete. You may now reboot the system. And right here, you can either close and explore the ISO more if you want to, or you could just reboot the system itself. So in this case, we're going to reboot the system. So I click on reboot, and it should go reboot the entire system.